Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online classes. In last class, we have discussed about the set, concept of set, representation of set, and types of set. Okay, this is your revision class. Here we will revise the topics and some problems related to the sets. Okay, so one type of sets remaining. Universal set. Universal set. It is clear from the word na. Universal means universe. You know what is a universe? It includes all the planets in its. पता है ना? जो universe है वो सारी चीजों को अपने अंदर include किया हुआ है ना, जितने भी planets है ना. So same as here we can say that we can define the universal set. How? The set of all objects or elements or member under consideration is the universal set. For example, if we say set of natural number, set of natural number, अगर हम ये कहते हैं कोई सेट है a set of all natural number, you know that we represent the set of natural number by capital letter N. So what is the universal set for that set? So we know that now all the natural numbers also whole number. All the natural numbers is also whole number. So universal set for that set is what? Set of all whole numbers. Whole numbers. Clear? Same as we can say that for the letters, suppose a set A or X, set of vowel A, E, I, O, U. So what will be the universal set for that set? Set of English alphabet letter. Set of English alphabet letter. Okay? Then universal set we can define for this set. What? Set of all English alphabet letter A, B, C and so on up to Z. This set represent the universal set with respect to this set of alphabet. Clear? What is the universal set? The set we can or we consider to define the other set. Clear? The set of all objects or elements under consideration of other set, that is called universal set. Clear? Now we proceed to the problem of the question, these subtopics based on the some topics. Exercise 1A. Study here or last class we have discussed about this topic now, sets and concept of set and types of set. So today we will discuss about the some problem questions related to this topic. So just see in your book exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. First question study we have discussed in last class we have discussed. Second question is what? Here see it is given. Second question, let A be the set of all whole numbers greater than -3 but less than 5. Let A be the set of all whole numbers greater than -3 and less than 5. So we know that now what is the set of whole number? Whole numbers always start from 0. So what is the value of set here? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is given. Question is given what? Let A be the set of all whole numbers greater than -3 but less than 5. मतलब -3 से बड़ा और 5 से छोटा. तो -3 से बड़ा कौन सा होल नंबर आएगा? 0. Because the whole number is started from 0. So what is the element? What are the element of this set? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now next, then fill the given blanks by using the sign this and this. This is called epsilon and this is called epsilon now. And how we can read this? As belongs to, not belongs to, element of, does not element of. belongs to this and this does not belong to. So one or two questions we'll discuss of this question. First part, here written 0, then dash a. So see here 0 represent the element and set here element a. So here whatever 0 is element of a or not, यहाँ पर जो 0 है वो सेट a का एलिमेंट है कि नहीं. So here we'll check. Set is given ना? Set is given. So here see the element of set A 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. इसमें 0 आ रहा है ना? 0 belongs to this set ना? So we can write here the sign this. Okay. Same we can solve some other question like third one. Here it is -4 dash a. Question asking here -4 is element of set A or -4 is not element of, does not element of set A. So first we will check the set. What is element is given. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. -4 is not given. So what we put here the sign? Epsilon naught. Does not belong to. Does not belongs to. Clear this question? Now we will proceed to the next. Rest of the part you will solve. You have it out. You can ask. Okay. Then we proceed to the next question. Third. Which one? Third question. Third. What is the third question in your book? It is given. Write the following set by roster as well as ruler method. Okay. By write the following set in roster as well as in ruler method. Means set builder method. So one question is given. Here I suppose first part. The set of letter of the word this TERRACOTTA. The set of letter this word. So first we will write in roster form. What? Roster form. And we know that when we write the set, we will use a letter only one time, not in twice. Okay. So here some letter are given twice now. So we use a letter only one time. So how we can write the set in roster form? Set. Question is given. The set of letters of the word this TERRACOTTA. So here we will write the letter. Okay. Here we will write the letter only one letter one times. Clear? So TERRAC and O. This is the roster form of this question. Okay. Now how we can write in this setting? Set builder form or ruler form? Ruler method से कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? So here X such that X where X is a letter of the word this TERRA terracotta. TTA. Clear? How we will write the set in roster form and set builder form. Okay. The next question we will solve. Okay. Next part we will solve. If you need out, you can ask in next class. Okay. Now we proceed to next question. 4. Which one? Fourth question. What is the fourth question given in your book? Write the following sets in tabular form. Means again in roster form. And find their cardinal number. In last class we have discussed now what is the cardinal number? Total number of element present in the set. Given in the set. So here we will solve first question. First part I will solve and next you will try to solve. Okay. Here it is given set A is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number where X element is lie between -1 to 3. It means the value of x is greater than -1 and less than 3. So ऐसे कितने नंबर हैं जो नंबर के जो -1 से ग्रेटर होते हैं और 3 से छोटे? कौन से नंबर है? Usually we can write ना in roster form or tabular form what? Natural number. Created na natural number. So we know that natural number started from 1. So what is the value of this? Only 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Clear? So what is the coordinate number of this set? Means number of elements. So how many elements are there? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Only 2 elements. Clear? So next part you will try to solve. Now we proceed to the next question, 5th. Okay? Write the following set in set builder form or ruler method, using by ruler method. So one I will solve. Here written first 4th part I will solve. Okay? Question given -3 -2 -1 0. -1 0. So what you will write? How you write in the roster method or roster form? This represent because here given positive number as well as negative number. Both are given. Na? It means it is a set of integer. Set of integer. So how will you write this in set builder form? Set A is equal to x such that x belongs to set of integer and condition is given na x less than or equal to 0. As here x less than or equal to 0. Clear? Means यहाँ पे जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं सेट इस सेट के वो क्या है? 0 से 0 के बराबर और 0 से छोटे. Means less than 0. So all the integers equal to 0 and less than 0 are what? 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Clear? Okay? So next part you will solve. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay? In next class. Now we will proceed to the next question and last 6th. Which one? 6th question. Here it is given, identify the finite and infinite set and find the coordinate number of the finite set. यहाँ पे बताना है कि which one is finite set, which one is infinite. You know very well, countable sets are finite set, uncountable sets are infinite set. So one question just here we will discuss last one. Which one? Last one. Just I will tell. 6. A set F is given x such that x is equal to n square plus 1, where n belongs to integer. N belongs to integer. Means here n belongs to integer. Means n is a integer, either positive or negative. So what is the value? What are the elements of this set? Okay, इसके एलिमेंट कौन से होंगे? So first we have to convert this ruler or set builder form of the set into the roster form. So here n belongs to z, means integer. So first we will take -1. N is equal to -1. So what is the value of this x? X is equal to -1 square plus 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So first value is what? 1 by 2. Same as when n is equal to -2 and r plus 2. -2 r plus 2. So what is the value of x? -2 square plus 1. 4 plus 1, 1 by 5. Same, we can find the same value for n is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 by 5. Clear? So second one is 1 by 5. It means here we will put the value of integer minus and plus both. -2, -3, -4, +2, +3, +4 and so on. So we will get the value of this set, element of this set. But here the value of n is not fixed. Up to which value will take the value of n? So that's why value of s is also not fixed. So this is the infinite set. What? This is the infinite set. Which one is infinite set? Infinite set. Clear? Thank you.